Oh, hi, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have two plastic bottles packaging trash actually that I gonna recycle again and make it into fairy houses. Yeah, I don't know. Every time I see a new shape of packaging, I always like have an idea. Okay, I can do this. I can do that. So yeah, I cannot hold myself to not do another fairy house because it's intuition. So it's something that I just have to do. Yeah. So again, I'm using a called porcelain clay, and I still have a bunch of pre-colored clay. So I just mix the clay with some acrylic paint, so they are already colored, and it makes it easier so that I don't have to totally paint them later. So I just have to add some details, some washes and dry brushing, and it's just easier. So I'm not messing around with paint and then getting on top of already painted details. So just making a very simple house with a triangle roof. Okay, I forgot to record the process of making the roof. It's just basically aluminum foil and cardboard. And now I'm going to cover this using my cold porcelain clay, and I just want to let you know that I'm gonna make a different separate video for this one. fairy house is fully finished, so I sprayed it with some acrylic spray paint, clear acrylic spray paint to protect the paint and the cold porcelain clay. And I'm quite happy with the outcome. It's a little tiny cute mini fairy house from a cough syrup bottle. Now here's a little story about this fairy house. I made a community tag and I posted that this house went missing, which it did. I put it on my car to dry in the sun, and then in the afternoon it was gone. And I looked all around my house and my car and on the ground. I searched for this house and I didn't find it. And I was very sad because I spent so many hours and effort to create this cute little house, and I wasn't finished. I didn't film the outro yet, and I didn't take some pictures for the thumbnail. So I was really sad because I didn't know if I can still post this video. And then this morning, all of a sudden it was on my front door. So maybe someone found it or someone decided to bring it back, and I'm very happy for that. And now I can finish the video. This house is all cute, and yeah, if if someone likes my houses or any creation artwork that I do, literally, I'm happy to give it away. If there are kids, you can purchase them, you can buy them. There's no need to steal. No, I don't want to accuse anyone, but yeah, it really breaks my heart when it was gone, because yeah, just because all the effort I put into this little house. And I think it's just a little cute adding to my fairy house collection. But yeah, as I said, I open all my items that I do and that I make for selling. So if you're interested, you can go to my Instagram page and then go from there. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye.